What's up, you guys? So we are on our way to the pumpkin patch, but before we did that we had to stop past Target because we had to pick up some sippy cups for the baby, and we're doing curbside pickup. I just love curbside because I don't have to go in the store. Oh, here comes the guy now. Oh, she is cursing somebody out. Did you hear me? The girl over there, to the left, to the left. She's cursing somebody out. Hi. Hold on 1 second.
Who's vlogging?
Yes, but you're not on it.
Maybe in it.
6947. Thank you. Have a good day. Okay, can you put the address in so we can go? Because we're already running late. So this is what I got. Real quick. I got these sippy cups with straws. And then I got these, which have a hard spout because, wait a minute. Why did they give us a pink one? I asked for blue and orange. Oh well. Okay. But because he likes to stick stuff in the tops of the bottles like this, he likes to stick stuff in the top, and so then the milk just falls out, and I'm like, dude, you're making a mess. And I think last night he spilled all of his milk on the sofa, but good thing I can take the come on, man, so we could go. We already late.
Stuff, bro. I'm doing something.
What you doing?
I'm trying to see who's in my house, so it didn't tell me.
Oh, okay. Let me put the address in. So we made it here to the pumpkin picking fields. It's like a 45-minute drive from my house. And we're just waiting for our friends to get here so we can get started. Everybody's over here playing. Hold on.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
They like learn how to do cartwheels, and now that's what they do. And I'm not mad. Burn your energy out. Girl, if you don't get up off the floor, ground.
10. One more, Gabby. Come on, so you can get match Allie. Hi, Allie. Oh, 11.
Good job, kiddo. I'm about to walk to the other side because the pumpkins are actually down there, and we parked a little ways away, so I'm gonna start walking. Y'all ready?
Yeah. So we need to wait for your friend?
We can still walk down to the pumpkin field.
How far away are they now?
She said 10 minutes. Come on, guys, let's go. So we just stopped in Target for a minute because I needed to return some stuff. And look at the heart and hand with magnolia. This is just how I want my house to be, like country, like modern country chic vibes, you know. We're gonna get there one day. Probably when the kids grow up and they stop messing up everything. But everything is so cute. Everything is so cute. Let's just go look at it. So we are in downtown Gaithersburg at the Rio lakefront. It's so cute down here. Shout out to my bestie for telling me about this hidden gem, and used to live here and we never been. That's neat. We never been here, right? It's so cute. Let me see if I can turn around. It's like cute on a little lake. Oh, and I got like a carousel over there. It's so cute. Oh, they have like cute restaurants and shops. Target. This cute little bridge, hotels. Oh, this is a cute little like date night spot. Is there a movie theater here? Good morning, everybody. It's the next day. I think I ended the vlog off at I don't know, I think we went to the Halloween store or Halloween spirit store, whatever it's called. Next weekend, I believe, I am going to a Mad Hatter tea party with my girlfriends, and we all picked a character from Alice in Wonderland. So one of my girlfriends, she had to get some of the finishing touches for her costume, so we did that. Sorry, I'm super tired because after that, we sat in traffic for like 45 minutes to come home. And then we had to get the kids ready for bed, drop them off, and then we went to our other girlfriend's house to watch the premiere of You on Netflix. It was good. It was late, but it was good. And if you don't watch You, you're missing out, because Joe and his wife is crazy, and they just had a baby, and that's all I'm gonna say. I'm not giving away anything else. So we were out pretty late. We didn't get home until after midnight, and we were gone all day yesterday. So we were tired. We are tired, but we're up and we about to do our Saturday morning chores. The kids, of course, don't know how to sleep in before we go to brunch. So I'm just walking around the house and opening all the blinds and stuff like I normally do. Get some fresh air. It's cool, but like, how many people like to open their windows during this transition season, like fall to winter, and like just open their blinds, open their windows, and get that nice, cool, crisp air in the house. So I'm just gonna do that, and then I think I'm gonna wash a little bit. Ooh, I think I'm gonna wash a little bit of clothes before we go. I think I'm gonna wash a little bit of our clothes before we go, because laundry is starting to pile up, and laundry is my least favorite chore. I don't mind washing them. I don't mind sorting it. I don't mind, you know, I don't even mind putting it away, to be honest. I don't like folding clothes. I don't like folding clothes. I don't like putting away dishes. Like, I'll wash them, but I want somebody else to dry them and put them away. Oh, that must be my son. He must be up, running around already. So I'm gonna do a little bit of laundry before the sitter gets here, and cook breakfast. I have to do my nails, and get ready because brunch is at 1 and I don't want to be late and I don't want to rush. So I'm hoping I'll leave my house like around 12. That's the goal, because I don't want to be late. So I'll check back with you guys later on when we are like close or almost close to getting dressed. Here's the baby. We made it to Lena.
Because I was like, this is too much.
Yes, and especially if come back.
Right. We already.
Oh, yeah. Let me put my mask on.
Oh, this is pizza? This is a pizza place?
The roll for me. I was confused too. Because I was like, it's cute.
It's a cute pizza place.
This is brunch at a pizza place.
It's a cute pizza place.
I don't even think it's brunch. I think it's just.
Oh, see, I told you I don't know that one. I thought we was going to brunch. I was
We
prepared for
are. It's like
pancakes
no,
and
it's
waffles and eggs.
no, it's
It's pizza.
it's fine pizza, fine dining pizza.
It seems like it's,
Oh, I'm so glad you changed your outfit. I'm so glad I decided to wear this.
Yeah, because that,
Yes, it was hot. Oh, look at the girl.
With you and your call, you was not nice. I'm gonna wear my clothes, my salmon.
Hello.
I call it salmon.
Salmon without the L. Oh, you look cute.
Just waiting for Frank.
He's parking.
He drove home and I guess when I want to drive. Oh, he was?
We was here for a long time. We actually got kicked out because
I was mad they kicked us out.
we got kicked out because there was a party coming in behind us at 5, and so we had to hurry up and leave. And they were like, y'all gotta go. Y'all paid y'all bill. It's time for y'all to go. And then when we were paying for our valet, the people whose party was after ours, they were like fussing at the waiter or waitress because they're like, well, we have reservations, and they were like, oh, we're sorry, we had a large party before. And the lady was like, well, that must have been the large party. I was like, yes, we were running a little behind. We were taking pictures and stuff, but we had a good time. It's always a nice. It was always a nice time with the crew. It wasn't crowded,
So
but
could have came whenever.
no, you gotta go that way. Oh,
I don't got to.
well, okay. It's always a nice time hanging out with everybody. We are in DC today, in the city, with visiting one of my great aunts. We are going to woo! Let's go! It's freezing, especially compared to how it was yesterday. Walk up there, hold your dad's hand. We're taking the kids to a church harvest fest. So we just made it back home. It's Sunday. I'm tired. I had a long weekend. I did a lot more than usual. So I'm about to end the vlog here. I'm about to cook dinner, do laundry, pack lunch, get the kids ready for school next week. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog.